Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can restore your health in Undawn game. In Undawn, your health does not recover automatically in most situations, so you need items to heal yourself. In order to heal yourself or restore your health whenever your health is low, go ahead and open up your backpack. Your backpack will be located on the left corner of the screen. Just tap on it and all of your items will be displayed on the screen. Go ahead and select healing items from your backpack. Some of the healing items are bandages, special antibody, and so on. You can also restore your health with food items such as canned food or cooked meat. Just select one of the healing items you want to use. I am just gonna use this antibody medicine. Select the medicine and click on use. Now the antibody will be used on your character. Using this will restore more health than bandages. It is useful when your HP is very low and it is usually found or crafted later in the game. You can also eat food or drink items. While healing, make sure to move to a safe place before using the healing items. Don't heal in the middle of enemy attacks if possible. So that's how you can restore your health in Undawn. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.